EXIN lights are not just any kind of light, with EX meaning explosion-proof portable lighting and IN meaning industrial portable lighting. They're patented, tough, user-friendly portable lights that are suitable for a wide range of industrial applications, including quick response lighting in emergencies and safe working in hazardous areas. Let me show you the EXIN portable lighting range. The yellow IN lights are our most popular industrial lights, with various battery sizes and configuration options. The brightest model will light up to 15 metres in front of you on its highest setting. Our red EX industrial lights have a special battery designed for safe use in potentially explosive atmospheres such as mining, oil rigs, manufacturing and utility companies where flammable gases and dusts are present. Whatever light you choose, you will enjoy the same benefits. Firstly, they're tough, and I mean tough. You can hit the EXIN industrial lights with a hammer, and the body, constructed using automotive type ABS 747, will not crack. And they're waterproof and dustproof, with a full IP65 rating, so you can use them in any environment. Optional parts, such as scaffold attachment, fit onto the uniquely designed rubber base, increasing the range of uses for your EXIN lights. Using these portable lights is easy. Every model has an easy push-pull handle and the extension arms fit at either side. This means you can choose the best height for your job. This unique design has been awarded many patents. Inside the body, the cable storage compartment means you will never be caught out without the charging cables again, and there's less chance of tripping over dangling cables. The light-emitting diode light bulbs will last around 60,000 hours. And the lead acid gel batteries don't require water or service maintenance. There are other benefits that vary according to the EXIN light model, so that you can select the best light for your application. For example, some models have a tilting light head or a double light head. The IN lights have a flashing light setting. EXIN portable lights can run for up to 48 hours on a single charge, depending on the industrial light model and the setting you use. Most models have a convenient battery charge indicator. There are various accessories available, such as coloured lenses and a solar charging panel. Our website shows the specifications, certifications and options for every model. Please visit www.exinlight.com for more information and call the number on your screen for details of your closest dealer.